Welcome back. Let us now see how to solve the question number 19 in the Certified Kubernetes Administrator Killer Shell exam simulation. Question number 19, task rate 3%. They've given a note saying this task can only be solved if questions 18 or 20 has been successfully implemented and the K8s-C3-CCC cluster has a functioning worker node. So since we have already solved the question number 18, it doesn't have a functioning worker node, so we are good to go. Otherwise, we have to solve either question 18 or 20 in order to solve question 19. So now let's use this context, given context. And they say, do the following in a new namespace secret. So first, let's see if there's namespace named secret. Now we don't have one, so let's create one first. Kubectl create namespace secret. Verify that. It's created 3 seconds back. So create a pod. Let's create a pod. Kubectl run. Pod name is secret-pod. And the image that we're going to use is busybox 1.31.1. And they say this should be running for some time. Let us use the shell, let's say sleep for 1 day. And now let us do the dry run. Looks good. Let us now go through this other questions. There is an existing secret located in this, blah, blah, created in the namespace secret and mounted. So we have to do volume mounting based on the secret, and then create a new secret in the namespace secret called secret2, which contains blah, blah. Okay, first let's get this going. Let us redirect this to 19.yaml. Let's open the file. Let us keep this aside for some time. So this here they say there is an existing secret located in this file. So let's open the file. So there's a secret already there. Let us inspect the file, what it does. So this is a base 64 encoded value. So we're not interested in this value, whatever they do there. Let's see the other parameters. API version v1 data. This is the data. Kind is secret. Metadata. Name is secret1. So secret name is secret1. And the namespace created in the namespace secret. So the namespace here is wrong. It says to do. So we need to modify this to secret. Now let us save this. Let's get if there are any secrets in the namespace secret. We don't have any secrets existing in this namespace. Let's create one using the file they have specified. Secret is created, now validate it. So it's created 3 seconds back, secret one is created. Now to the third section. create a new secret in the namespace secret. Let's create one. Kubectl create secret, and the name of the secret is secret2. We have to create so Kubernetes secret, it does have 3 different types of secret. So it has to be generic secret, a secret. So let's use this one. So yeah, it is a generic secret that we have to use. Kubectl create secret. It's a generic secret, and the secret name secret2, and the namespace that we are going to create is secret, and let's they say it should contain user equal to user1 and pass equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to use the switch from literal equals. Let's copy this user equal to user1 and another value, pass equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. These entries should be available inside the pod's container as environment variables as app underscore user and app underscore pass. Let's do a dry run and see if it works. Okay, it created the secret dry run. Is something that we should have passed earlier. So this is a good example of how not to use the dry run. So let's get secrets to see if it has created one. If yes, let's delete that. If we've created the secret too, let's delete the secret too. Kubectl delete secrets. The name of the secret is secret2. Okay. Here, let's do the dry run. I'm not sure. I have not used the dry run with secret creation, so it doesn't seem to be working as intended. Let's delete that. Now let us execute the command itself without the dry run. Let's get the secret created. Now let's see the secrets. Let's describe the secret. So secret2, it's in the secret namespace. I'm not sure if it allows to edit. It does open in a terminal. Okay. The editor, secret1. So we could clearly see that user and the pass is already there. We can simply check the values once again, probably in it. So we didn't edit anything. It's just one of the values to see if it works. So we know this is a base 64 encoded value. We'll try to decode this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has created a secret as requested in the question. So now we have to go back to the pod creation part, and they say we have to do 2 things. One is that we have to mount jet read-only onto the pod, mount this secret, which is secret1 into this pod. So volume mounting, we'll go to the Kubernetes documentation, mount secret in a pod. Let's check. So Let us search for mount. This should do the trick. We will copy this bit to our pod creation manifest. We don't need any of these lines. We'll paste this. Volume mount. The name will keep it as secret volume. We'll set it to read only because that's what they have given here. And the mount path should be temp-secret1. This is the volume mount. We have to now go back and refer to the volume itself. So this is the volume. We'll specify under here. So the volume name and the volume mount name should match, which is secret volume. The secret name we know it is. We have to use the secret one. So that is the name of the secret given in this file. So as far as the volume mount using the secret is concerned, we have taken care of it. They didn't give the volume name, so we are just using some random name as secret volume. That's fine. So now create a new secret, which we have already done, creating a new secret in the secret namespace, and the data for the secret it's done. So what they have specified is these entries should be available inside the pods container as environment variables, app pass and app user. So we'll see secrets environment variable. They'll use something called value from, yeah. This is the environment variable name, value from. So this should, we can make use of this for the container. So we can use it here. Now we had to do two environment variables. So I don't need another env here, so it should be able to work. Perfect. Now let's change the details. So first we'll use the app user. And this is coming from the secret2. And the key that we're going to use here is user. And the second one is the app underscore pass. And the secret reference, we're going to use the secret2 again. The key, we are going to use pass. So this is the pod creation part. Let us now try and create the pod. So its pod is created. Now let's see the status of the pod. Oh, I think we didn't specify the right namespace for the pod. Let's see if it's scheduled. Secret pod. It's in container creating state. So let's edit the file once again. Yes, we didn't specify the namespace, so it is supposed to be created in the secret namespace. So let's edit this file. Now let's delete the pod, secret pod, but now to forcefully delete it. Now let us, capital create. Let us now create the pod. Capital get pods in the secret namespace. So for some reason, it is failing. Kubectl, let's see the logs. Or even let's describe the pod in the secret namespace. Secret pod. Container image. That's fine. That's information warning back off. Restarting failed container. Not much of useful information. Terminated. Let's inspect the logs. Kubectl logs for the pod. Secret pod. Busy box. Okay, so I think we messed up something with the command. Let's delete the pod once again. Kubectl delete pod in the secret namespace. Secret pod. Okay. Let's. The sleep command is wrong. Otherwise, we can just simply say all this in one thing called sh -c sleep. Let's say let it run for some time. Now let's create the pod. It says it's created. Check. Let's get the pod. Still not in a good state. Not happy about. Let's give 1 day here. I think it expects it as single command. So I'm creating one now. Let's get the pods. Now it's running. So there is a syntax error in supplying the commands. Now it is in running state. Let's describe the pod in the secret namespace. Pod name is secret pod. It is supposed to be secret pod in the secret namespace, and should use the BizBox image. And this is the command it is executing. So they didn't specify the command. All they said is like it should be running for some time, keep running for some time. So it should be running for a day. And the mount, we are using the temp dash slash secret one, which is good. And the volumes, we are using the secret volumes. It's using the secret one as given here. It looks good. And the container should be using app user and app pass. So we can do it in two ways. One is get the pods in YAML format and see there is anything called app. So it is given here, but how can I validate whether it's holding the right values? So we can use kubectl exact IT in kubectl in the namespace secret, execute this command. In the container, what is the name of the container? Secret pod. Secret container name is also secret pod. Yeah, container in the secret pod. So either we can say print n or env, and then we'll grep for app. So now we could see these environment variables are using the values that we have supplied in the secret. So with this, this is the end of the question 19. Thanks for your time watching. See you in the next question. Thank you.